got a brand new project, a 2019 Ram 2500. It's got a couple very small issues and we don't buy new trucks like most people do. When we buy new trucks, there's something most definitely wrong with it. Obviously, that's why we got the trailer. So with that being said, this thing is about 6 hours away over in Missouri. So we're gonna get in the truck, get this thing headed down the highway, and we're gonna go get our new project. I am super excited about this, guys. Oh, and if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe. Let's go. Come on, new project! Smoking. Well, guys, we just stopped and got some fuel in the Cummins. This is our first long trip with our Cummins powered F350. We got a 6 hour drive ahead of us, but I've got faith that she can make it. All right, let's get after it. Look at the road. Well, we made it over here to pick up our truck, do some paperwork on it, need to get it paid for, and then we'll get it picked up and load it on the trailer. Ooh, boys, ain't you excited? Look at it. It's back there somewhere, or over there, over there, or over there. We'll find it. We're gonna find it. We're gonna bring it home. Oh, carrying concealed deadly weapons. I'm a deadly weapon. Oh, pretty good. I need to pick up a truck. All right, boys. Well, we got the paperwork. We got it paid for. They're supposed to be rolling it out any second now. Damn, am I excited to see this truck. Woo, boy. Our paperwork on the dash Cummins here. Do you think the Cummins is ready to pull it home? I think she'll do it. I can hear it. I can see it. I can see half of it. There it is. Oh my God. It looks perfect for us. Well, how's it drive? You know what? You should have pulled out with the other side facing. It looks really good from this side. Well, thank you, bud.
Yeah, hey.
Oh, it's in cold. It's in warm-up mode. You hear that concrete? Well, this isn't that bad. I'm the only person that looks at a wrecked truck and be like, yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. Door is a little messed up.
Is that back door messed up?
Maybe. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing loaded, get it tied down. We will look closer at it when we get home. But my God, it doesn't really even look that bad. I think we can have this fixed in a matter of no time. All right, look at that car.
Oh.
That one's seen better days.
It looks like your girlfriend sat on it, Westen.
Hey. Yeah, you're probably right. Oh, it's got that new smell. It's only got 7,000 miles on it. There's just nothing like the new smell. What's this? I don't know what that is.
I guess it moves. Transmission's bad. Shit.
What?
Transmission's bad, huh?
No.
I think you're watching it.
You coming?
Keep coming. You got a long ways to go. Okay, stop. You're good. I think the ramps will show. Let me check before you get down. Oh, yeah, we got plenty of room back here, Bodine. Hey, Westen, I just realized something.
What's that?
Your truck matches your trailer.
I know. All we need to do, we should have brought Clifford. That way we'd have matched all the way.
Oh, and your hat.
You're right. Red is my favorite color. Oh, yeah. Look, it barely even squatted the Cummins. She won't even notice it's back there.
What exactly is different about this one versus the old one? It looks the same right now. This here is different.
Well, don't look at the back, because pretty much the back of the truck is exactly the same as the last body style. The only thing they changed on the 3/4 tons was the front clip and the engine and the interior. The interior is all new. Besides that, the bed, the cab, the doors, that's all the same as the last body style. So it's basically a 2009.
Listen, the train's coming.
It was coming the last time I got here. That train.
Maybe it's just now passing.
You know what? Maybe that's what it is, because it took for freaking ever the last time we was here for that train to go by. We heard you first time, Fred. It's cold out there. Can't you tell? Look at all the ice and snow.
It's still back there, Weston.
Is it really? Oh my God, we didn't lose it? You know what? It must have been that good tie down job I did. You know how you know nothing's ever gonna go anywhere? After you tighten it down, you gotta say, nope, that ain't going nowhere. And then there's magical powers that hold it to the trailer. If you don't say it, you're gonna lose whatever you tied down, so make sure you say it. Guys, we made it back to Kansas. Look at this. It sure is nice to be home. Now, we obviously used the Cummins here to pull home our new project. And you know what? The Cummins did really good. She blew a lot of black smoke all the way across Missouri, but she did a good job. Look at our brand new project. This thing is marvelous. This thing is gorgeous. And you know what? We just had to buy it. You want to know why? Because look, it matches our trailer. We had to have something to match our trailer. We'll go ahead and take and untie this truck, drop the ramps, and we'll go ahead and unload it, and we'll pull it over here and evaluate the damage on it, kind of see what we need to order to get this project started. But god dang it, guys, it is cold out here. It's been sleeting, it's been snowing, it's been raining. As you can tell, it's a little it's a little icy out here. So let's go ahead and untie this, drop the ramps, and get this thing unloaded. But there is one thing that is strange about this truck. One thing that we've never actually had on the channel before, and you know what that is? This truck will actually drive off the trailer. The rest of them either have to be jump started, or I have to get over here and Westen power it, you know, try to get to pushing on it. No, not this one. I think this one here will come off with its own power. That's a win. Hey, guys, don't get used to it though, because, you know, we're not going to buy junk this nice all the time.
You've gotten mud all over the trailer too, Weston.
Some people ask, like, why do your straps get dirty? Well, they get dirty because we live down a dirt road, and when you drive down a dirt road with your straps.
You know what it really looks like, Weston?
What's that?
It really looks like the Cummins had an accident on your truck.
It did, but I didn't want to tell you that. The Cummins, you know what the Cummins was? The Cummins like, you know what, I don't like that new technology. Look at that. That door is not messed up, it's just locked really well.
Really? I like that.
What are you doing?
Stop
touching that. You're gonna put a dent in it or something.
Yeah, you might be right.
Start. Look, it actually runs, Dom.
Might just take that off, bud. I know it's red and it matches our truck, but we still don't want to scrape it.
It's alright. It only scraped it on the scrape. At least. I can't see where I'm going. I need a defroster. Let there be heat. Oh, it took it a minute to decide if it wanted to work or not. God dang, this thing is nice in here.
It's a brand new truck, Wesley.
Renewable Energy Services. Hey, you want a sticker? It is the next day. We're back out here looking at our beautiful red Dodge pickup. Obviously, there is a couple things we need to address on the truck. Just a couple small little, you know, the damage is so slight, I don't even know if you guys can really even see it. But let me show it to you guys in case you didn't notice. This corner of the truck is, it's missing. Yeah, you guys probably could have seen that, I guess, huh? So this truck here actually is missing its fender, and you'll be like, hey, who took the fender off? Well, the accident took the fender off, because look at this. Every bolt for the fender is still in it. There's a bolt for the fender, sheared off. There's a bolt for the fender, sheared off. There's the hinge for the door, bolt's broke. There's a bolt for the fender, it's sheared off. So that fender just, it decided it didn't want to be here no more, so it decided it was just going to remove itself. That's what it was. We need to find a fender for this truck, which is going to be kind of difficult since these trucks are so new and this is the new body style. I've actually been looking around, and it's kind of hard to find one. They're on back order from Dodge, but I got my fingers crossed. I think I got one found, so we're going to see. Now, the one thing we did look out on is our hood is actually almost perfect. The only thing wrong with it is there's a little scratch right here on the corner of the hood, which we can just take and put some touch-up paint on that and just gloss over that. That will be perfect. We won't have no problem there, and that's really good because these hoods are on back order just like the fenders, and I would say the hood is more impossible to find than a fender will be for this truck. Now, that will be the hard parts to find. The other deal we'll have to do is we'll have to get us some new headlights because I'm not that much of a miracle worker to try to reuse this one. And amazingly, the bright beam does still work, just the low beam. For some reason, yeah, for some reason it's just not working right. I don't know why, but I don't know. It's just not working. Find some LED headlights to go in this. Now, the problem with that is these trucks are so new that nobody in the aftermarket has actually came out with headlights for this truck yet. Not that I know of. I've been looking around. I haven't really had no options come up to me as late. So we might have to see if we can find some LED factory headlights and put in it. I'd really like to find some LED lights to put in it, though. Now, the one thing that is good for this truck is they changed the front clip on it, but they kept the cab and the bed the same as the last body style. What that means is this door is the exact same style of door that was on the trucks in 2009, 2010, all the way up to 2018. So, you know, Clifford, our big red truck, has a door that's the exact same style as this one. Don't worry, we're not robbing his door to put on this one. We're not going to do that. Or are we? Does Clifford really need a door? With that being said, I think I actually got a door found already. We can just take a door off of an older truck and go ahead and slap on this. I don't know if the door panels and stuff are the same, but if they're not, then we can just find a door panel or whatever. There is one thing that is still perfectly functioning on this truck. Look at that. Moose power still engages just perfectly. Can't see ourselves, but you know, mirrors are only to see your haters behind you, and we don't care about that anyway. We'll disengage the moose power for now. So we will have to find a door. I don't know if the door panel's savable or not. We'll know that next time on our next video when we actually get the door pulled off. We'll have to see how bad that door panel really is. And while we're at it, we're going to have to take and get these bolts out of the cowl, because when it broke, it didn't actually bend anything. It just broke the bolts in the cowl and pulled them right out. So we'll have to get them pulled off, get these hinges pulled off, get this door pulled off here. Get all of our old stuff pulled off. The other thing about this truck is it's not a plain Jane by no means. It's an actual Bighorn. It's got some fancy to it. It's got the chrome appearance package. It's got the nice running boards. It's got the nice chrome door handles and everything on it. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That's shininess. See that?
Actually, it's not even just chrome. It's color matched as well.
Yeah, it's color matched in chrome. And look, like, I like how they got the chrome accent, because the last ones they didn't have that.
Westen, is the grill savable?
Actually, the grill's not even broke. See, most of this is actually the headlight here. The only thing that's broke about the grill is there's a crack in it right here. But we can actually just take and plastic weld that. This is actually an end cap that just snaps onto the grill. So the grill is actually savable. None of the face cushions in here are deployed. And what I mean by face cushions is these little things here called airbags. Yeah, I call them face cushions. And when them things deploy, they make a big mess and they kind of tear a lot of stuff up. So it's really awesome that we don't got to replace any of them, because when the airbags blow, then you got to replace seat belts because they lock up in an accident. And if the seats have airbags, they blow the seats out and all that good stuff. We've been through all that before, but awesome thing about it is we don't have to replace airbags in this truck, because with this truck being so new, especially if it blew the one out over there on that side of the dash, would be really expensive to take care of. I wonder if we're gonna be able to salvage that door panel. I don't know. We'll have to see in the next video when we get that door off. If that door panel will come unkinked and we can salvage it. All right, guys, we kind of showed you around our pickup here. It's really pretty nice. There's not much we really need to do to it. We need to get the damage fixed on it and stuff like that, but I got some plans for this truck. I'd like to set of tires and wheels on it, some LED lights, leveled out. I mean, this truck's gonna look awesome. Maybe a big radio in it, maybe the big 12-inch radio. That would be awesome as well. I think we can put one of them in there. Now, with that being said, if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. That tells YouTube that we're good fellers and other people ought to watch us. If you're new here, obviously, hit that subscribe button. And you know what? Make sure you check back for more content on our beautiful red Dodge pickup. I'm super excited, and next time, we will be taking this truck apart and figuring out what we need to do to fix it. All right, I'll see you guys next time.